Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot in the days so old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll drink a cup of kindness yet, for the sake of old lang syne. And surely you will buy a cup, and surely I won't mind. We'll take a cup of kindness yet, for the sake of old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll drink a cup of kindness yet, for the sake of old lang syne. For old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot